Hello sir, welcome to this video. In this video, I will discuss with you on your project where you want a website for your law firm business, including some of requirements like to redesign a format and modern website, then control panel and uploading the design and all thing to our domain to get the website alive. So I'm MD Alal from Bangladesh. I am a professional website developer and my organization is a reputed company on Bangladesh. So let's check my entry and find the website link. So here is my entry. So now I click on this entry and you can easily visit your website through this link. So I just copy your website link and opening a new tab on my Chrome browser, then paste and go to your website. This website is 100% developed, so please make me the winner on your contest so that I can transfer this website to your web server. Also, I will discuss the feature of this brand website with you one by one and match it with your all requirements. And also the website has some more feature, so please watch the full video. First of all, on this website I have used both Arabic and English language as per your requirements. So when I click on this button, you can see the both flag has shown, and I just click on this flag, this Arabic flag, and now you can see the whole website font change English to Arabic, the menu, the heading and your services. Also, the rest of your requirements make the website high resolution photos, admin panel, and this website admin panel is very easy, so you can easily control the admin panel. And below I have provided a contact form, you can see here, and this contact form you can easy for your customer, so that will allow your customer and client to communicate it with you. There are also 4 more page on this website, like the About Us and Testimonial, where they give your client feedback, and the last Contact Us page, and this is your About Us page. You can see the one video and some of document on your business. So now I just close the About Us page, and now this is the client testimonial page. And with this page, your clients will be able to give you feedback about your service, which other clients will see and be attracted to your service. And here is one more contact form. So now I close the page, and here is the contact us page, and you can see Google Maps here. Then display a picture of your office and another contact form next to it so that your client can easily contact with you. And this page is sorted by your phone number and email. Also, the website is loading fast and it is SEO done, which means the search engine optimization. So if it is a search on Google search engine, your website will showing. And finally, I would like to tell you, if you have any more requirements and customization on this website, please let me know. I will be able to develop the website according to your all requirements. And of course, please make me the winner on your contest so that I can transfer this website to your current hosting. Thank you, MDLL.